In this video, we're going to look at how to remove uh, the attachment we've added in the previous video, because there are times whereby after you've added attachment, you feel like you want to disable the attachment and all that. Now, if this was on ArcMap or ArcGIS desktop, you quickly just delete the file. That's, you just delete the field when you go to attribute table, and you just delete this field, and that will be the end of story. Okay, but here that is not the case. So what we want to do is you go to your geoprocessing tool. If you don't know where to find geoprocessing tool, basically when you open, you will see it, but you can go to your insert, sorry, you can go to view, and you will see geoprocessing. All right, that's where you can find geoprocessing or catalog panel. So this two, this and this, you can find them there. So you will search for remove disabled attachment. All right, so once you see disable attachment, you click on this one, and then we'll just either drag this in here or we just put this, and then you click on run. Oh, the table is being edited, so let's stop editing and then do that again. Okay, so let's run again and see to be sure. Okay, yeah, so it was because I did not stop editing. We edited the whole thing, so you have to save and stop editing for it to do. So if we check this now, those images are no longer there. Those images we had the other time, if you go to attribute now, they are no longer there because we have disabled this attachment. All right, so let me go to attribute. You see that there's absolutely nothing on that, to that regard, to that effect. There's none. So if we want to return it, is to go back and you put enable attachment, and then you bring this in again and you click on run. So once you run, then you put the attachment. I hope this is clear, and I hope you understand this little illustration on how you can add attachment and how you can remove the enable attachment. All right, so thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next video.